Wairarapa TV local news for Tuesday the 20th of December. Police can confirm the body of a 60-year-old man who was missing in Tora Bush on Sunday has been located. The man, who was an experienced hunter but was not familiar with the area, did not return at the agreed-upon time. Police and land search and rescue teams were deployed and worked through Sunday night to locate the man. The matter has now been referred to the coroner. The Wairarapa lifestyle market continues to remain buoyant, according to the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand. In the rural sector, it's an active market for sheep and beef properties, with reports of values easing 15%, with some activities on arable farms but quiet in the dairy sector. December spending in Wairarapa is up 8.8% on the same period. Details released by Paymark show $11.6 million was spent in the region between the 8th and 14th of December. A total of $22.5 million has been spent in the region since the beginning of the month. And in sport, the Giants under-15 softballers have won a thriller on Saturday, beating the previously unbeaten Saints 8-7. And the Presidents continue their winning ways, defeating the champions Dodgers 5-1. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.